The secrets of space. What NASA doesn't want you to see. For decades we've looked to the stars, searching for answers, yearning for connection. The cosmos is full of wonder and mystery, but sometimes those mysteries hit a little too close to home. I'm talking about moments when the official narrative doesn't add up. NASA, tasked with exploring the final frontier, has left us with more questions than answers. From cryptic astronaut interviews to strange happenings on the Moon and Mars, unexplained events have fueled countless conspiracy theories. Buckle up, because things are about to get weird. July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin plant the American flag on the Moon, a moment of unparalleled national pride, but something about those post-mission interviews always felt off. These supposed heroes should be ecstatic, but instead they seem different. Look at their faces, their eyes. There's a heaviness there, a certain somberness. Their words are measured, hesitant, like they're choosing them carefully. Some say it was exhaustion, the sheer magnitude of what they'd experienced. Others whisper about post-traumatic stress, the shock of the unknown. But there's a growing number who believe they saw something on that lunar surface, something they were told to keep under wraps. A secret powerful enough to make even the bravest astronaut clam up. The moon landing might have been a giant leap into a conspiracy that's out of this world. We're just getting started, folks. Keep those eyes peeled and those minds open. Let's talk about those unexplained objects. The ones NASA tries to explain away as lens flares or ice particles. Come on, folks, we're not naive. We've seen the footage. These are structured crafts, moving with intention, not random space debris. Remember those leaked NASA transmissions with astronauts freaking out about strange lights following their capsules? The official line, misidentified satellites, because satellites suddenly learned how to do barrel rolls and formations. And what about those structures on the Moon and Mars that don't look natural? NASA's quick to dismiss them, but if they're so easily explained, why all the secrecy? Why airbrush them out of photos? They're hiding something, my friends, something big. These aren't just blurry images. These are potential game changers. We're talking about the possibility of extraterrestrial life, of advanced civilizations. Stay with me, folks, because the truth is out there. February 23rd, 2025. The Sun unleashed a monster X2 zero solar flare. Lucky for us, it wasn't aimed directly at Earth, but it was a close one. Imagine the chaos if that flare had hit us head-on. No power, no communication, our entire technological world thrown back into the Stone Age. That, my friends, is the power of the cosmos. We like to think we're in control, but the truth is we're just along for the ride. NASA tracks these solar events, tries to predict them. But the Sun is a wild animal. This near miss was a wake-up call, a reminder that we're not alone in this universe. The universe is a dangerous place, my friends, and the sooner we realize that, the better off we'll be. Cosmic Curtain Call, the comet's final act. Comet C 2024 G3, a fiery ball of ice and dust, hurtling towards the Sun on a suicide mission. NASA's Solar and Heliospheric Observatory caught the whole thing, the comet's final dance, its disintegration. Scientists say it's a natural process, that comets die this way all the time. But it makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other cosmic events have unfolded over the millennia, shaping our solar system, maybe even influencing life on Earth? A comet, carrying the building blocks of life, crashes into our planet billions of years ago. Could that be the spark that ignited it all? Or maybe, just maybe, it was something more deliberate. We're talking about panspermia, the idea that life on Earth originated from space. The universe is a big place, full of secrets, and sometimes those secrets come crashing into our backyard, literally. The red planet's secrets more than meets the eye. Mars, the red planet, a desolate wasteland, right? A dry, dusty, dead planet. Or so they want us to believe, but NASA's Curiosity rover has been sending back some pretty interesting pictures lately. Clouds, actual clouds drifting over Mount Meru in Gale Crater. How does a supposedly dead planet have clouds? And it's not just the clouds. There are those recurring slope lineae, those dark streaks that appear and disappear seasonally, almost like water, liquid water on Mars. Now that would be a game changer. Let's not forget about the methane spikes either. Methane can be a byproduct of life. The truth is out there, my friends, buried beneath the red dust of a planet that's not as dead as they want us to believe. The face on Mars, just a trick of light and shadow, 1976. The Viking 1 orbiter beams back images of the Martian surface, and there, in the middle of the Cydonia region, a face. A giant, unmistakably human face staring up at us from the red dust. NASA was quick to dismiss it, called it a trick of light and shadow, pareidolia, our tendency to see faces in random patterns. But let's be real, folks. That looks like a face. Some say it's evidence of an ancient Martian civilization, a monument to their existence. Others believe it's a portal, a gateway to another dimension. Whatever it is, one thing's for sure, it's not just a random collection of rocks. There's something there, something that speaks to a deeper mystery, a hidden history waiting to be uncovered. The lunar spire, a glitch in the matrix, or something more? The moon, our closest celestial neighbour, always watching us, holding its secrets close. But sometimes those secrets slip out. Like in 1967, when Lunar Orbiter 3 captured something extraordinary. A towering structure, casting a long, sharp shadow across the lunar surface. They called it the lunar spire, and it sent shockwaves through the scientific community. This wasn't just some random crater or rock formation. This was a spire, a towering, artificial-looking structure standing tall in a sea of lunar dust. NASA dismissed it as a photographic glitch, a defect in the image. But come on, folks, we've seen the pictures. That's no glitch. The moon is full of surprises, full of secrets that are just waiting to be revealed. Lunar impact. A message from beyond? Picture this, a clear night sky, the moon shining bright. Suddenly a flash, an explosion, a massive plume of dust rising from the lunar surface. An unidentified object, some say it was an asteroid, others whisper about a secret military test, slammed into the moon with incredible force. But here's the thing. No one's claiming responsibility, no government, no space agency, no one. That's strange, don't you think? In this day and age, with all our technology, all our monitoring systems, something that big just slams into the moon and we have no idea what it is. Some say it was a message, a sign from beyond, a warning that we're not alone. Whatever the truth, one thing's for sure, it's a stark reminder that space is a dangerous, unpredictable place. The truth is out there. Keep looking up. Look, I'm not saying NASA's the bad guy here. They've done incredible things, pushed the boundaries of human knowledge, brought us face to face with the wonders of the universe. But something just doesn't add up. The inconsistencies, the cover-ups, the blatant disregard for evidence that contradicts their narrative, it all points to something bigger, something they're not telling us. Are they protecting us? Shielding us from a truth we're not ready to handle? Or are they complicit in a grand deception, keeping us in the dark for their own benefit? We need to keep asking questions, keep looking for answers, even if those answers lead us down some pretty strange rabbit holes. The truth is out there, hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to connect the dots. Because sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction. Outro the secrets of space, keep searching. And there you have it, folks. The enigmas, the oddities, the moments that make you exclaim, what on earth or beyond is happening? We've merely skimmed the surface of the cosmic ocean, and the deeper we dive, the more we realize how vast our ignorance truly is. So keep your eyes on the stars, keep questioning the unknown, and never cease your quest for the ultimate truth.